In this video lecture, we'll be discussing about structure. A structure in C language helps us to gather together different types of information into a single entity. So let us look into this topic. We have studied about many data types like integers, characters, floating point, double, etc. So sometimes if we want to declare a real world entity or a real world object, these kind of data types may be insufficient. So to deal with such collections, C language provides a data type called as structure. So the structure can gather together different atoms of information to a single entity. So these are some examples of variables: int a, b, c, char c, int ar of 100, that is an array of 100 elements. So these are the ordinary variables that we have been using till now. So if we have to store details about some real world entity, these kind of data types may not be enough. In such situations, structured data type can help us. This is one example. If we want to store the details of a book, these are the possible details that we may need to store in the library machine: title, author, date of publication, publisher, number of pages, and so on. So here title may be of character array type, author also character array type, date of publication is of somewhat integer type, publisher is a character array type, number of pages is integer type. So to store the details of a book, we need to collect information of different data types. In such situations, structure can be helpful. Next example is a student. If we want to store the details of a student, some example details are student ID, name, address, parents' phone number, class, etc. If we want to store the details of a student, the previously discussed data types like int, float, char, etc., they may not be enough. In such situations, structures can be used. Another example is employee. If we want to store the details of an employee, we may have to store employee ID, employee name, designation, salary, project name, etc. In that case also, the basic data types like integer, float, character, etc. may not help. We have to store all these details as a single data type, that is employee ID, employee name, designation, salary, etc. All these things should be combined together into a single data type. Structure is one such method in C language that can help us to combine all these details together.